Right lane for the win, y'all. Yeah, man, I thought when you were asking me to make one. I be messing up sometimes. I just be telling my mistake, though. Everybody be messing up sometimes. I just be admitting when I do it. Damn, I messed up. Misunderstood has always messing up. Hey, wait a minute, man. Hey, look out. Good looking, good looking. Oh, you got one wheel, man. He see it. Goose it a little bit. Sometimes you gotta play with that goose. It ain't gonna get loose. Damn. Oh boy, he just doing all the burnout he can. All right, they ready now. Right there. They need a power track unit. We got Vice J with the follow. Tom D. Marte with the follow. Appreciate y'all. Damn. Not another one. What else you doing? Oh, I'm about to say. Oh, left lane still won. He red lighted. Golly. Golly. Got that intake?
Man, I got like 5 of your cars, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
5 of them?
5 of them, bro.
I be passing them cars.
Let me get another one.
I got 6. Some new ones. I got some new ones. They coming
6,
in the mail.
Bro. I want 6. Let me get another.
Hold on. I ain't got none on me today. I'm finna give you another card.
All out, bro.
Yeah, I'm coming with some new ones, man. I done ran out. I got some new cars coming.
Alright.
So y'all ready, right? Y'all ready?
Yeah, they ready. Yeah, they ready. You can bring them up next.
Yeah, they ready.
Okay, you gonna handle them? I need to bet on this one.
Hey, man, honestly, my boy back there, he's a little quicker, but he's got an extra body in the car.
You think that make him slow down?
Maybe.
You got an extra too.
I know, I got 1 rider, he's got 2.
Oh, okay. Is it a close race if y'all just buy yourselves or he just run off?
He usually beats me by like a car length, I'll be honest.
A car length?
Yeah.
That one body ain't gonna help you then.
Nah,
that one body ain't worth the car. You gonna have to leave on him.
I got him, bro.
Leave on. You 4-wheel drive?
So is he.
Oh, you know what you need? The back tire. Tell him give you the back tire. I'm finna tell him for you. You don't want the.
You tell him and convince him, bro.
I'm gonna convince him. Look out, look out. Hey, man.
Yo, what's up, bro?
My boy in the front, he say you usually always win. You got a 2 though. He got a 4 though. He want the back tires. That's a good race still. You think you can still get him or nah, or what?
I think so.
Yeah, he think he can get you. You give him that back tire. So you want to go and try it?
We'll see.
You gonna give it to him?
Nah.
You ain't?
Nah.
What?
Nah, bro. It's all gotta be equal.
Oh, you want to do it equal? Okay. I got you. I got you. If he put some nitrous on it or something, you'll still run him head up. Let me go holler at him real quick. Hey, man.
What do you say?
He ain't giving up nothing. You're going to have to leave.
Hey, nah,
you know what you need to do? Put you a little juice on here.
Okay.
Put you about a 50 shot. Really 100.
Yeah,
shot don't blow up nothing.
Go.
Orderly!
And at the far right lane, edging him out there. It's into the hundreds of a second.
Well, he ain't gonna do no burnout. Oh, it might be with him this time.
Man, I see a belly seat back there, bro.
Oh man, he should get him this time.
I should pay you here, bro.
Right lane for the win. You hear Funky Town? Hey, Funky Town, I could have popped you on that one. Broke down. What's up with it? Not much.
We got some barbecue outside. Come get you something warm.
Man, I barbecued myself today. I ain't even ate no tacos or nothing from up here, man. I ain't even ate no tacos. I'm full in the mug, man. Hey, look out, there was a car down there. Oh, there you go. He good. Nah, he left. Who you finna run now?
They want me to give him the hit. I ain't doing it.
It's a puddle over here. Already. He said, come on with it. They said, come on